Today we shall discuss about making a copy of table. So create table temp as select star from EMP. Let us start the Oracle SQL environment. Right click on it, run as administrator. Say yes. Type SQLPLUS plus / as SYSHDBA. So here you can see we are successfully connected to SQL. Let us clear the screen. So we can make the copy of a table EMP by this command: copy and paste. Create table temp as select star from EMP. As you can see, table created. Let us set the page size and line size. Set PAGESIZ page size to 150. Set line size SIZD line size to 150. Let us clear the screen. Sorry, we shall see the contents of the table temp. So describe, if we do describe temp or describe EMP, both the structure of both the tables will be same. Then let us come to select star from temp. Copy and paste. So you can see it is showing same contents as the table EMP. EMP number, e-name, job, manager, hire date, sal, commission, and department number. Let us drop the table temp. Copy and just paste it. So you can see table dropped. Shall come to the next example. Create table employee as select EMP number, e-code, e-name, name, sal, basic from EMP. Let us clear the screen. Table created. If we do select star from employee, here you can see e-code, name, and basic. We shall try this another example. Create table EMP page as select EMP number, e-code, sal basic, sal star 2.5, DA, sal star 3.35, HRA, sal star, that is multiplication, into 0.15 PF, sal plus sal star 25 plus sal star 35 minus sal star 15 gross from EMP. Shall I try this example? Let us clear the screen. You can see table created. Table name is EMP underscore page. So let us see the contents of it. Select star from EMP underscore page. Here you can see E code, that is employee code, basic, DA, HRA, PF, and gross. Now if you want to copy only the structure of the table and we don't want the data from the table, that is the rows from the table, then we can use this command. Copy create table info as select star from EMP where 1 is greater than 2. Copies only structure. So you can try this example. Let us clear the screen. Table created. If we do select star from info, no rows selected, because we have created only the we have copied only the structure of the table, structure of the table emp. We have not copied the data from the emp because of the condition where 1 is greater than 2. Copying only rows. So insert into e-info, select star from emp. This is high level insert. So shall I try this example. 14 rows created. So it has copied all the rows from the emp into e-info table. So if we do select star from e-info, here you can see the contents of the table emp. So this is called as high level insert. Same content is showing as emp table. So try this example. Copy, update info set size equal to sal plus 1000. High level update. You can see 14 rows updated. Now if you see sal, everybody's sal will be increased by 1000. I shall try this example. So you can see sal 6000. Before it was sal 5000. Now it is 6000, 3850. It was 2850. So all this sal has been increased by 1000. It is a high level update. Let us come to this example. Delete from e-info. Paste. So 14 rows deleted. This is called as high level delete. This is called as high level delete. Note: copied tables will not be changed whenever source table is modified. Its copied tables will not be changed whenever source table is modified. High level insert, update, delete, CORS rule. So that's it friends for today's session. Tomorrow we shall continue with database objects in Oracle SQL. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.